Hey, let's take a look at Google Drive. All right, so here I am, drive.google.com. If you're in a different Google app like Gmail, you can click this little tic-tac-toe board and bounce around from Mail to Calendar to Drive. I usually just go drive.google.com, but whatever you're more comfortable with. This is My Drive. I can get new stuff by clicking on the word My Drive, or go over to the word New and do New Stuff. So basically, I don't use Microsoft Office ever because this will do all of that, and it's on any web browser I go to, on any computer I go to, and it's all collaborative. It's kind of a magical thing, I'm not going to lie. I like to put stuff in folders because it's a nice way to organize, but you can also just search. Once you do add stuff to folders, they all show up here, and you can have folders within folders, right? You're used to this kind of thing. Folders within folders within folders. It's crazy. Nesting dolls within folders. What's happening with our lives? Or you could just search. So this little triangle hiding in plain sight will give you all the different file types that you can search for. You also don't have to add just documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. You can add anything into Google Drive. And if you're Google Apps for Education, you have unlimited storage. Dude. So if I wanted to search for all my PDFs, I don't even remember what it is, but I do know that someone shared it with me, so it's not me. I can search. So here are all the PDFs in my Google Drive that I don't own, right? Notice the owners are not me. If I click that triangle again, I can say ones that are owned by me. So now here are all the PDFs that I own. Kind of amazing, right? The answer is yes. Yes, it is amazing. I can also just find a folder. Let's go into just my weekly docs folder. And within that folder, right, I can also just right click, new file, and let's do new doc. Stoked! Look at that, I have a new document. So we could spend a long time talking about what it is. If you've ever used word processing, then you know Google Docs. One of the great things that they've recently added is that as you type, even if it's wrong, fancy title here, as you type there and start typing and typing and typing, when you click to name it, it's going to take the first line, which is kind of awesome. One other cool trick I want to show you within a doc is if I click this folder, it shows me where it is. I can click organize and actually move it around right within the document. So if I want to move it to a different folder, I could just do that, or drop down and nest it within there. Click move. I like it where it is. And you're all set. Last thing I want to show you is how to share within Google Drive. By default, things are going to be private, so that big blue share button will let you share it with other people. If they have a Google account, they are able to share it. So if I wanted to share it like with myself on my personal email account, there I am. So this account can edit, comment, or view. Kind of amazing. Hey, here's a note of something. If I click advanced, you get even more information, so you can change it from private to anyone with a link can view. So you don't even have to add them by name. You can just say, copy that, paste it there, and anyone that has this link, right, they're not going to guess this. It's insanely secure. Anyone that has this link can view this document. Actually, I'll just cancel that. I don't need to share it with myself. And it's amazing, right? So one other way you can share it, now that I have this here, that share button, or I can right click and share. Cool, amazing. Is your mind blown? I hope it is. Google Drive is amazing. Once you start using it, it will change your life.